Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Enphase IQ Battery with EV charging integration, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Enphase IQ Battery is properly installed and connected to your home. Check that your home's Wi-Fi network is functioning and that the IQ battery is online. Download and open the Enphase app on your smartphone. Log into your Enphase account or create a new account if you don't have one. In the app, navigate to the Devices section to locate your IQ battery. Select the IQ battery from the list of devices. Once in the battery settings, look for the integration option. Tap on the EV charging integration feature. You may be prompted to connect to your electric vehicle charger. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your EV charger with the Enphase system. Ensure that the charger is compatible with the Enphase IQ battery. Once paired, configure the settings for charging preferences. Set the preferred charging rate based on your home's energy availability. Check the option for scheduling if you want to charge the EV during specific hours. Review all settings to make sure they align with your energy usage habits. Confirm the settings to finalize the integration of the EV charger with your IQ battery. Monitor the integration through the app to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Give it some time to sync and start utilizing your energy efficiently. If any issues arise, refer to the troubleshooting section in the Enphase app. For enhanced monitoring, explore the energy usage reports available in the app. Regularly check for software updates to ensure optimal performance of both the battery and EV charger. You are now ready to enjoy integrated energy management with your Enphase IQ battery and electric vehicle charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.